I have the red velvet burfi, and it's really good.
We're gonna try it, or else he's gonna get a kick from me. One of them. So this is like proper Indian coffee, you know. That's the distance between our ride and the car next to us. Like it's that much, and it's just getting closer and closer. Like right there. I don't know who's behind us. He's far. He's good. Then far. Then good guy.
Hello dear sir and madam and younger brothers and sister. We are launching for new dairy products, dairy parlor for Milkery. हम लोग का जस्ट पहले फार्म था आर्य मिल कॉलोनी में. मेरा बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है अपना डेयरी प्रोडक्ट में है लस्सी, छाछ, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी, चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक, दही, पनीर, कुल्फीस ऑल्सो वी आर लॉन्चिंग. एंड मेरे पास स्वीट्स भी है. स्वीट्स में आई थिंक आपने नॉर्मल फ्लेवर ही खाए होंगे. उसमें मैंने रेड वेलवेट, आपने जस्ट केक खाया होगा. उसमें मैंने नया स्वीट्स लॉन्च किया रेड वेलवेट. मेरा स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट्स है रेड वेलवेट बर्फी.
Oh wow. It's got the milky texture and the red velvet flavor, like the aftertaste of the red velvet. Something I've never eaten before. It's really nice.
Mango Burfi.
So it's got pistachio, it's got some almonds, and then really fine grains of milk.
What do you think?
It's like the bundi laddu, but with the mango flavor inside. It's not over rich.
Chocolate Burfi.
Got the chocolate burfi. It's got some pistachios. It's got some chocolate on top. Wow, it's really good. It's not too rich. I think I like the red velvet burfi the best.
काऊ की है, buffalo की है.
So we got the cold coffee here, which is their speciality. It's got a nice message on it. It says morning kick. It's night now. We surely need a kick. We're gonna try it, or else he's gonna get a kick from me. One of them. So shake it. Nice.
It's not overly sweet. You still get the coffee, and you definitely get the kick.
Oh wow, this is like proper Indian coffee. You know, when somebody says cold coffee in India,
Yep.
this is what I would expect my mom to make. You're sweating, man. Maybe you need some coffee. Some cold coffee for you.